Hi, I'm Johnny Danville Sebastian, and to be honest, when we started learning integral calculus, I was really overwhelmed. At first, nothing made sense, especially when we got to trigonomic function. I remember looking at those sine and cosine integrals and just thinking, how am I supposed to solve this? It felt like a completely different language. Struggled a lot to memorize the identities and figure out how to apply them. Then we got to integration by parts, and that just confused me even more. The formula looked simple, but when I actually tried to use it, I'd get lost halfway through the problem. There were times I seriously felt like giving up, but little by little, with a lot of practice and help from our teacher, things started to click. I started to recognize patterns and finally understood how to break problems step by step. When we covered definite and indefinite integrals, I finally saw how everything was coming together, especially like learning how to find area under a curve. It made me realize that calculus isn't just abstract math. It actually applies to real-world problems like calculating distance or total values. Now, I won't pretend that I've mastered everything, but I can say I've come a long way from where I started. The subject pushed me a lot, but it also taught me how to be patient and persistent. I'm really thankful to my teacher, Emmanuel Henry D., for not giving up on us and for helping me grow not as just student but as a problem solver. Thank you.